So I'm here with my 2008 Crown Victoria P71. Wasn't starting, didn't know what was the problem. I thought it was fuel issues related. Ended up turning out it was. But just for, if you do have problems like where it's cranking but it's not starting, these are the things that you could do. One is change your relays all out, or specifically this one. This is your fuel pump. Put a new hose, not obviously, but it's just because it was all worn out. Obviously some more are to it. It's pretty dirty. I haven't really done nothing to it since I've gotten it. I even tried pushing the switch on the back, and let me just show you guys where the fuel pump switch is at, because I know some people will be asking for that too. So I'll show you where the fuel pump switch is at. Right here. You just push that down or whatever. This one, from what I'm understanding, those don't stay pushed down, because I've tried it on several others and they don't stay pushed down. So you would just push them to relieve it or whatever it may be. But that is the pressure relief for the fuel pump. I don't know if it will really work, but this was the main issue. Let me just say that this was the main issue. This is your fuel pressure on the railing, whatever. But this right here was the part. It's just 2 bolts, 8 millimeters. I also put the new wiring from this one too, just to make sure it was new. But this was that was the main issue. You'll take that off. You have to kind of, turn it, like rotate it a little bit and pull it off. This clip goes pushed down right here, and it's gonna come sliding off. That one just slides off, that little vacuum hose that's right here. Just slide that off, slide off the other connector, take off the 2 bolts, pops right out. You'll have a little bit of gas, so make sure you throw a rag underneath it, put the new thing on. Make sure you prime it 3 times and then start it up. And that was about it. After I did that, it started right up. And I won't lie though, as soon as I was driving down the street, it just cut right back off. I didn't know what it was, so I pushed it right back. I was like, man, might be something else, but nope. I ended up finding out too, there was like really no gas in it neither, because just from all the priming, and I'm pretty sure. So I had to, put a little bit of gas in, $10, 3 gallons, threw it in, started right up, drove it all the way up back to AutoZone, had them turn off the check engine light. It hasn't came on, so it's all good. If you guys have any more questions on this vehicle, so let me know. I'm always working on mines and others, so I have multiple Crown Vics. I'm always been into them, but kind of like this one so far the most, the 08, and I do like the 05 also, but the 08 was obviously meant for police. So yeah, comment, tell me what you guys think, and thanks for watching.